Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. I'm helping somebody set up a tag cut file. They upgraded and they can't get their tag cut to work, and he needs to cut this out. And so tag cuts is made up of lines, so it only cut this line, this line, this line, this, and then go back. So it doesn't cut the square out, like it doesn't cut that line out twice. So, and Jason, this is about as many as you can get on your page. I made your page like your helix. You could, unless your laser is perfectly aligned, which yours might be, you could maybe get one more tag in there. And realistically, you could add a few tags, at perpendicular from that. But I thought I'd show you, and of course you'd want to pick your font. Inside of tag cuts, because it's not really a box, there's no way to center it. So what you can do is, I'm going to set my nudge factor on 3. You know what? I'm going to set it on 4. And I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to fill that in, I'm going to nudge it over, and then I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to put this, and it's going to snap right to the center. Then I can take that and nudge it over that 4. Now, you could duplicate those over, but it's a lot easier to do it inside of a Docker called Transform or Transformation. And you will select that, and we're going to put 3 here, and there's 7 spots, but we already have 1. Whenever Corel says a copy, you've already got 1, so you just need 6 copies. Then grab all these texts, change this from 3 to 0, and change this to a -1, and we've got 17, but we only need 16, and in a touch of a button, every one of those is in the center. Anyway, I hope it helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.